to only allow some of your contacts to see your last seen info on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Next, type privacy. Tap last seen and online. Under you can see my last seen section. Select my contacts accept. Next, select the required contacts you like to put in exception so they cannot see your last seen info. Next, tap the green check mark icon to save the change. Now your last seen info in WhatsApp can only be seen to your contacts except those you have put in the exception list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.